Hi, greetings everyone. In this video, we will see how to reschedule the unfinished work. Every so often you need a way to quickly record the project progress and reschedule incomplete work. Suppose your project was put on the hold for a few months and you want to reschedule the unfinished work now that the project has resumed. Another alternative is to tell the project to record progress as if everything happens just the way you planned. To reschedule work, go to the project tab and then click on the update project. Then in the update project dialog box, select the option for reschedule incomplete work to start after, and then you enter the date that you want to resume. So in this case, let's say it's December 1st. I'm going to reschedule the entire project here. I'll say OK. When I click OK, you can see that there are gaps, and if I scroll over to December 1st, you can see the taskbar starts to reappear. So everything is rescheduled to start at December 1st. When you use this approach, you need to check your schedule specifically for manually scheduled tasks, because you might also want to save a new baseline to reflect the new dates. We covered saving a baseline when we talked about saving the baselines. Now there's another way to update a project. It's a kind of big hammer approach to bringing a project up to date. It really only works if your project is mostly on track, because it says everything happens the way you planned it. I want to use a different project for this one. Here I'll go to the view tab and change the project here. Now select the task that you want to update. So in this case, I'm going to select from the task ID 11 down to the milestone for phone lines ordered. One thing to notice is that last milestone, phone lines ordered, is set to happen on September 30th. Well, now I go to the project tab and I need to set the status date. So I'm going to choose September 26. What I'm going to do here is update the project through September 26th as if everything happened the way it was scheduled. So in this case, I click the update project and you can see that the options update work is complete through a selected, and that's what you want, and the status date is already in the place. Now what happens is project updates the tasks that are scheduled to start before the status date. But you can see that there are two options. The first one is 0% to 100% complete, and the other one is 0 or 100% complete only. Means it will update every task whether it's unstarted or it's complete or it's somewhere in the between when we select the first option, but it leaves anything that's in progress alone. But for the other option, that is which is set to 0% or 100% complete, means it will handle unstarted tasks and the complete tasks, but it leaves anything that is in progress alone. So we will select that one and then click OK. Now one thing you can notice here is that inventory office was in progress and it had 30% complete. And so you can see from the change highlighting that it wasn't changed. On the other hand, review phone systems requirements is complete because it was supposed to complete before the status date and it changed to 100%. Order new phone numbers is scheduled after the status date, so it's still 0%. If you don't need accurate values for billing customers or paying contractors, you can update your project in hurry with a few handy shortcuts. Once you are caught up, you can go back to the recording progress as usual. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.